Hello and welcome to this video on the science of climate change. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today, and understanding the science behind it is crucial for addressing the problem. In this video, we'll take a look at the causes of climate change, the impacts it's having on our planet, and what can be done to slow the rate of change. Causes of climate change. The Earth's climate is determined by the balance of incoming solar radiation and outgoing thermal radiation. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, trap some of the outgoing thermal radiation and warm the planet. This is known as the greenhouse effect and is a natural process that keeps the Earth warm enough to support life. However, human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have greatly increased the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, leading to a warming of the Earth's surface. Impacts of climate change. The warming of the planet is causing changes in weather patterns, sea levels, and the distribution of plant and animal species. We're seeing more extreme weather events, such as heat waves and floods, as well as changes in precipitation patterns. Sea levels are rising due to the thermal expansion of water and the melting of ice caps and glaciers. This puts coastal communities at risk of flooding. Climate change is also affecting the distribution of plant and animal species, as well as the timing of seasonal events such as bird migration and the blooming of flowers. The scientific consensus. The overwhelming majority of scientists agree that human activities are causing the Earth's climate to change. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, is a scientific body that regularly assesses the state of the science on climate change. The IPCC's most recent report, released in 2018, states that it is extremely likely that human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, are the dominant cause of the observed warming since the mid-20th century. Addressing climate change. The Paris Agreement, a global agreement to combat climate change, was adopted by nearly 200 countries in 2015. The goal of the agreement is to keep global warming well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and to pursue efforts to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. To slow the rate of climate change, it is necessary to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to renewable energy sources. Adaptation measures, such as building seawalls and drought-resistant crops, will also be necessary to deal with the impacts of climate change that are already occurring. Climate change is a global problem that requires global cooperation to address. Conclusion. Climate change is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted response. By understanding the science behind it, we can take informed action to slow the rate of change and mitigate its impacts. It is important for everyone to take personal, community, and political actions to combat the climate change. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comments, and subscribe for more videos.